So here's a quick guide to WorldCoin Vault. What is that and what is this feature is about? So this is one of the most popular features in World app right now. So basically the idea, if you hold in WorldCoin in your app, either you got it by grants, by referral, by invites, here you have wallet. And in this wallet, you have two types of accounts. You have spending account and then you have Vault. These are two different accounts. By default, all your new WorldCoin goes to spending where it just sits. But if you want to earn 10% appreciation rate, then you just transfer it to Vault. And yes, you just earn 10% on all your WorldCoin. And then it just earns. That's it. Super good rate, 10%. But obviously, WorldCoin price fluctuates. And so you just tap it in here and then you have more details. So you can see reward rate 10%. By the way, you don't need to pay for that. It's available to all users. Obviously, you need to be ORP verified, I think. And then, yeah, WorldCoin Vault allows you to grow your funds by earning rewards for holding WorldCoin in your vault. Rewards can only be earned on the first 500 Vault held in your wallet. And then you have lifetime earnings. It's also new interesting feature. You just see how much you earned on your vault. So as you can see, I have 255 vault and I've held in a vault for some time, not that much time. It's earning $10 for that. And then the really cool feature is that you can see in real time that this appreciation rate is working. So you're just earning every second basically. So that's pretty cool. And that's the idea. And so there is no kind of lock-in period. There is no like minimum holding period, like 6 months, 1 year. You just put in there, you instantly start earning and you can withdraw anytime. So to withdraw, there is like a transfer out button. You can withdraw from like what you have minimum is 1 WorldCoin and then you just select it and go and withdraw. So in my comments on videos, people said that mostly it works. So mostly it just works. And so there are no glitches or bugs for that. So yeah, that's what it is. And then you just have it in here, and that's basically it. That's the feature. Again, you can only put 500 WorldCoins in here. And if you wanted to get this 10% rate, you can just go and just buy WorldCoin. You just buy this WorldCoin and put it in the vault and earn 10%. So that's how World app wants you to earn a lot of World. So that's basically the idea in here. And yeah, so that's your World account.